The Galaxy S24 Ultra priced at $1,299.99. The Galaxy S24 Ultra upholds the Galaxy Note legacy by being the sole smartphone in Samsung's lineup equipped with an S Pen stylus. Boasting an impressive combination of a top-tier processor, stunning display, cutting-edge cameras, AI features, and the added convenience of a built-in stylus, this phone stands unrivaled in its class. Awarded the editor's choice for high-end Android phones, the S24 Ultra is a powerhouse that doesn't compromise. As the largest and most expensive member of the S24 family, which includes the $799 Galaxy S24 and the $999 Galaxy S24 Plus, the S24 Ultra distinguishes itself with a squared-off design, integrative S Pen, and enhanced camera capabilities. Measuring 6.40 by 3.11 by 0.34 inches and weighing 8.22 ounces, it is undeniably substantial. Despite being just 0.03 ounces lighter than its predecessor, the redesigned form factor creates an illusion of reduced weight. However, its sizable build may not appeal to users who prefer one-handed phone use. For those seeking a more manageable size, the S24 5.79 by 2.78 by 0.30 inches, 5.93 ounces, and the S24 Plus 6.2 by 3.0 by 0.30 inches, 6.95 ounces, offer smaller, lighter, and more rounded alternatives. Featuring Corning Gorilla Armor for display protection, the S24 Ultra employs a glass that Corning claims is more robust than any other smartphone glass in its lineup. This material is also touted to be less reflective, reducing glare by up to 75%, depending on lighting conditions. In practical testing, the Ultra demonstrates fewer reflections compared to other phones and offers a nearly paper-like viewing experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next update. Peace out.